How to create system and guides online with Scribe easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create system and guides online with Scribe. So let's get into it. You might face the problem to create guides, visual videos for your team, or if you are a teacher, a tutor, and you want to create guides online, how to create them easily with a platform that gives you a lot of different features and tools. So that's what we will cover today. What I want you guys to do is simply go to scribehow.com and you will land on this platform right here. Scribe allows you to reduce the time you spend documenting and sharing process by 93%. You will be able to record your process, create step-by-step guides, generate documents, and create easy tutorial and guides for your team. In order to get started with Scribe, what you guys need to do is you will click on Get Scribe Free. There is a free plan available and we can get it. So here we have to select that why we're using Scribe. Who will be joining Scribe? Just me, or you can also add that I will be signing up with my team. We can sign up with our company email address or Google account. So I'm going to sign up with my Google account. After the sign up, then you can add in the Scribe extension. With extension, we can actually access it anytime we want. And we can convert any window that we have opened up, Google Sheets or Excel, we can just convert it into a document with Scribe. So I'm going to click on Add to Chrome and it'll just take a second to add the extension. So let's actually do that. So it has been added. Here we have our Scribe. So this is our workspace and I'll show you how to use it. In order to record a Scribe or to add a new document, you will click on this option. You can see New Scribe or New Page. New Scribe means that we will be able to record different videos, a step-to-step guide, a visual representation, a document for our team that we want to share with. You can use it as a freelancer, you can use it as a tutor to actually create step-by-step guides. So I'm going to click on New Scribe or Record a Scribe option. It will just open up my camera and it will allow me to create a video. So this is my main workspace and we can have more than one workspaces. This is my home workspace, a default workspace that we get. To create a new workspace, you will click right here and it will allow you to create a new folder, new page, or new Scribe. So we can actually create folders and then divide our different Scribes into folder. For example, I can call this one my marketing team. So I'm just going to call it marketing. Click on add and I'll add all of my Scribes to this folder. A folder will be created. Let's create another one, new folder. This one is going to be CRM. Click on add again. And it will be added right here. You can see now I have folders. In each folder, I can create new Scribes and subfolders. I can delete the folder as well. Click on this new option again and it will open up a new page for you. New page means that we can get, if you're working on a page and you want to create a new page again and start from the scratch, then you can just get to the page here. So we have, first of all, we will select an icon. So I'm going to actually give it a pink color, the icon, and I'm going to add this document one, or we can add one for our video. Let's go with this one. Let's create a video guide. So this is the icon, Untitled. So let's just call it the social guide, and this is going to be a guide I'm creating for my softwares, To insert a Scribe or to add a content, click on this option, add a Scribe, and then you will search for the Scribes that you have already created. First, create different Scribes. For example, you have created guides, you have created videos, and then you will search for it here and add them to your new page. So you'll just add it here. In options, we're getting the option of colorful header, stats and info. Then we have interference options, done, share, and make it favorite. And we can also add a comment about it or a menu. So you can just click slash and then we can create like a bulleted list. Let's go with that. So I'm just going to add like this one has tutorial videos. The next bullet point is going to be proofreading, content, SEO, planning, and completion. So this is what a bullet points that I've created. Now I can create more with simple slash, and now I can add an image as well. So I'm going to choose a file from my computer. We can upload a file up to 5 MB. We can add videos and photos. So I'm going to insert this image. So here we have it. And this is where I will add a Scribe. Click on done and it will be saved. And this is what it looks like. We have an image, we have title and the bullet points, and this is where I will add the scribe. Let's go back, and now I will be able to show you that I have created a page within a workspace. So you can create multiple pages, multiple files, and then organize them with your scribe. So I'm going to click on invite. So this is where we invite different team members. Click on share and then enter their email address and select their role if they are admin or creators. I'm going to invite a creator to my workspace. Click on invite to team and an invitation will be sent to them on their email address, and I have invited a creator. So they will be able to join. Now we can click on the dashboard. It takes us again back to our main dashboard where I can see my recent files shared with me. You can see team members, 1, scribe created, 1 scribe. This is the scribe that I have already created. So this is notification where I will get them. This is where I will be able to see my profile, my desktop app. The app is available as well, and you can use Scribe as an app. So this is my team, and I can actually create different teams. This is my first team. I can create a new team as well. Let's say I have a marketing team and I wanted to create scribes for them. So I created one for marketing, then I can create another one for my HR team. So click on create team. It is just created like that, and it will have its own separate scribes. It will have its own separate workspace. So you can switch between the teams from here. You can see I have this one, and then we have this one right here. Then we have team settings where I will be able to do different settings. Again, you will click on new scribe again, and this is where I can actually create a scribe and get a scribe from my Google Drive as well. I'm going to click on new tab and it will open up a new tab for me to create a new scribe. It's going to be on google.com. So this is how the scribe works. Click on new scribe. So first of all, I actually went with, now you can see it's actually recording this video on Scribe. And now what I can do is I can create a guide like how to use Scribe. So it's recording now. You can see this button right here. It will show my users, my team, how to use something, and I can just now show them what website to go for, what to do, how to open up Scribe. So now I'm just recording this. Click on this option. It will show you the controls, and I'm going to pause the recording. It's now resumed, and I can just click on complete and my new scribe will be created. So this is how we record videos with Scribe, showing how to do something, how to simply work with software, how to do marketing, and this allows us to create very easy guides, visual guides with Scribe. So if you face the problem to create different documents and tell your team what to do every day, you can just create scribes with scribehow.com and you will be able to then share it with your team. Now you can see this is the one that I recorded. This is what it looks like. So first of all, I have navigate to www.google.com. Then you have click select this field. So I'm going to edit this one. Search for scribehow.com. This is going to be the second step. Third step, type how to use Scribe now. Then what you need to do is sign up for Scribe. And then I click accessibility link, skip to the main content. It actually kind of like created a guide for me according to what I was doing, right? So you can see, click accessibility. Let's say this is the first step. Then in the fifth step, I want them to watch a video. So I can just like simply say, click on the video and watch it. We can also add different fields according to us. For example, you can switch to tab Scribe workspace. So I can just say, open the tab, okay? Open. So this is how we create different guides for our team members and as a freelancer to show people how to do something. So this is like really easy to use and to create a scribe and visual representation of something using scribehow.com. Then we have copy link, share, add to page, merge steps, select multiple steps, find similar steps. Then we have options such as public comments, team comments, allow claps, and engagement. We have notify. So this is how you use scribehow.com to create scribes for your teams to share. You can see this is how we can create step-by-step guide using Scribe. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.